In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add downloads to your Squarespace website. This process is fairly straightforward, and by the end of this guide, you'll have a downloadable file readily accessible for your website visitors. Let's dive right in. First things first, head on over to your Squarespace website editor. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and do that. Once you're there, navigate to the section of your website where you want to place the download link. You might already have a place in mind or a specific page you've been working on. Once you've selected the text block where you'd like to add this link, click on the text to start the process. If your page is set up properly, this should bring up an editor when you hover or click on the text block. You'll see options like Edit popping up on the screen. Click on Edit to make changes to the text. This step essentially opens up the text editing tools you'll use to add your download link. Now that you're in editing mode, highlight the specific text you want to turn into a clickable download link. This could be something as straightforward as download now or get the guide. The key here is to make it clear to your audience that they can click this text to start a download. With your text highlighted, focus your attention on finding the link icon. This is typically represented by a chain symbol and is crucial for turning text into a hyperlink. Give it a click. This action will bring up the link settings where you'll make the magic happen. On the link settings menu, look out for a section that allows you to select the type of link you want to insert. There should be a small arrow or drop-down menu which, when clicked, provides additional options. Go ahead and click this arrow to proceed. Now from the options provided, you'll want to select File. This tells Squarespace that you aren't linking to another web page, but instead uploading a file that visitors can download. After selecting File, you'll see a prompt or button allowing you to upload your file. Click on it to browse your device for the file you want visitors to download. It's usually helpful to label your files clearly so that they're easy for your audience to identify once downloaded. Finally, don't forget to save your changes. Look for that Save button and click it to ensure that your newly added download link is properly stored. And there you have it. Your download is all set and ready to be accessed by your website visitors. That's all it takes to add downloads to your Squarespace site. This feature is incredibly useful for sharing valuable resources like brochures, ebooks, or any other downloadable content with your audience. Thanks for watching and happy uploading.